Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a package of hair extensions, Senegalese twist to be precise, from a company in China called Xtrend hair. They sent me about 7 packs of hair extensions in the color 1 stroke 27, and it came with little trinklets and a crochet needle. So basically when you order the hair, it comes with gifts, and each bundle has 30 strands of twists, as you can see, and they are very lightweight and very easy to work with. Every information about these extensions will be in my description box down below. Also a link to the hair and their coupon code will be down below, so just check it out. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. And I proceeded to part my hair at the middle. After parting my hair at the middle, I used that part as a guide to section off the front of my hair. Now, after sectioning off the front of my hair, I proceeded to make small cornrows at the front section. So I made a total of 16 cornrows in the front of my hair, and then I just cornrowed the back of my hair. So my hair was very thick. It wasn't easy to cornrow. As you can see, there are no extensions. This is all my hair. So it was very thick, but I actually survived the braiding. So as you can see, I've already started the crochet braids, and this hair was so easy to work with. The loop in the twist that came with the twist was like, it was not too wide or not too tight. I could easily pass the crochet needle through it and just, pull the hair through. And because the loop was very easy to work with, it made it easy for me. So it took me about 1 hour 30 minutes to complete the twists on my cornrow. And guys, don't forget to check my description box for information about the hair, and also please follow me on Instagram at ellaward6363. And also subscribe. If you are watching this and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, be a part of the family. Just subscribe so you can get videos from me when I upload and stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, and also check my description bar below. And this is just 1 pack. So this is what 1 pack of the hair looks like, and you can see the ends. They're a little bit free, but they don't come undone. And this was the 2nd pack on my hair. And my advice to you when making your crochet braids, face the crochet needle to the direction you want the hair to fall in. So for example, I wanted the hair to fall in the opposite direction from the other crochet braids I had made on the other side of my head. So that was what I did. So I had to face my hand to the opposite direction, and it fell on that direction. So this is the front after I was done with the front, and I was already at the third pack at the back. And guys, you can see the hair is 14 inches, so it stops at my mid back and under my armpit. And this was when I was finally done with the hair. I loved it. As you can see, I was feeling myself. I loved it. It was very lightweight, very flexible. Like, this hair is, I keep calling it hair. I think it's called hair extensions, but yeah. So this hair extension is superb. And this was the next day, and I wanted to put my hair up in a ponytail. Like I said, this hair is very lightweight and very easy to style. As you can see, it moves so easily. So I put my hair up in a ponytail, and I proceeded to make some baby hair. But this was like the most difficult part of the style, because I don't know how girls on YouTube do the baby hair. Baby hair is not easy to make. It was very difficult. I spent approximately about 10 minutes trying to make baby hair, but I think I succeeded at the long run. So this is officially my first baby hair. So yeah. And I think I did well. I did fine. I love the style. I love my baby hair. Slaying. I'm slaying. I love the look. I love the hair. And it was my first crochet braids and first baby hair. And I think I did a very good job, as you can see. So guys, don't forget to check out my description box for more information about this hair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.